Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, what can you say about the DepEd Secretary implemented of cleaning up of the rooms in such a way that no decoration or doing minimal decoration in the classroom?
Thank you, sir. So, our DepEd Secretary implement the cleaning of rooms, no decorations, or doing minimal decorations in such way. It is a big impact to the student or pupils, to their learners. Why? Because di na sila ma-distract sa mga colorful pictures na ginapilit ni teachers dito sa wall. Mas naka-focus na siya sa learners sa discussion with teachers. And then, during the discussion of the teachers, mas makatone siya dito sa visual aid na ginagamit ng teachers. Kaya during discussion naman yung visual aid, so mas makuan niya ang kuan sa bata, natawag na to iyahang ma-catch up ang kanang attention sa bata. And sa teacher, sa part sa teacher, dili na si teacher magpagawas og kwarta. It's because wala na may dikit-dikit, and in that way mas ma-conserve ni teacher ang iyahang time to prepare their lessons for the for the learners. And that's all.
So, thank you, ma'am. So, si ma'am is isa siya ka teacher sa elementary grade. So, salamat, ma'am, sa inyong time sa atuang interview.
Thank you.
So my opinion about the implementation of the Secretary, DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte of the implementation of minimal decoration of the classroom. For me, it has advantages and disadvantages. So first, the disadvantages of this is the student is kumbaga yung estudyante dito is the decoration of the classroom is part of their studies, no? So kumbaga yung ating mga estudyante dito is naninibago sa ganitong implementation, but wala namang masama kung ito'y nilagdaan ng ating DepEd Secretary. At least ito ay pagbuti sa pag-aaral ng ating mga estudyante, no? So, and then the advantages of this implementation is the teacher is only focused on the discussion of the lesson, and then the teacher is easily to catch the attention of the students. It's because it has no burden, no? Wala nang mga decoration na makikita ng mga estudyante sa kanilang paaralan. So as a teacher, it is easy to catch their attention. So ang gagawin na lang dito ng teacher is i-apply na lang niya yung yung mga colorful pictures in terms to their IMs, no? In terms to their discussion. So it's a very big help to teacher, no? To do that, to catch the attention of the student. And then less hassle na rin sa mga teacher. It's because hindi na sila nagpapalabas ng sarili nilang pera, no, to make their classroom colorful and more decoration. So this implementation is good for the teacher, no? So it's because siguro nagagawa rin ito ng DepEd kasi ano na tayo ngayon, yung baga learning centered na tayo nun, learner centered. So for me, I'm agree in this type of implementation.